Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can pre-poo your hair using ginger oil, onion oil and aloe vera. Yes, so we are going to use ginger. So like it's my second time using ginger. So like I do like introduced a product once and use it consistently. Yes, so like pre-poo is actually a treatment which is done to your hair prior to washing it. It's actually applied to dry hair. So like shampoo works by lifting oil off from the surface of hair. For some people, this leaves the hair feeling stripped. So a pre-poo treatment with oil is essentially creating greasy. So greasy hair usually means that one shampoo application still leaves some oil behind. So this little bit oil allows hair not to feel stripped. So you also note that a hair treated with coconut oil as a pre-shampoo, or if you use coconut oil as your base, you'll find that research has shown that it is less, your hair will be less susceptible to breaking after washing. So like, oh, the juice got into my eyes. Oh, it's so powerful. So like ginger reduce thinning of hair, will promote hair growth. So like ginger and onion are high in sulfur content, and onions also help to reduce breakage and thinning of hair. So sulfur is essential for regeneration of hair follicles. So ginger also has antiseptic properties that can help in reducing dandruff. So the fatty acids in the ginger are beneficial for the hair. So each of these have multi-purpose. Hair provides and help to like to intense nourishment to the scalp and strengthen hair roots and improve alopecia condition and reduce hair loss. So like I found it that it was so simple to peel ginger by just scraping off the outer layer using my knife. Yes, so it was I thought it would be very convenient this way, and like peeling it over a chopping board. So that's the reason why I had to go for this method, and it was so quick. So we are done. Those are the peels of ginger, and our ginger is ready, as you can see. So now I'm getting a grater. So you have to make sure that you don't use the bigger hose, use the smaller one so that your paste can come out so fine. So like continue grating until you are done with your ginger. It's actually not a longer process. So we are done. That's how our ginger looks like after grating. So now I'm getting our onion, and we are going to grate it as well. So like I've been using onion in my regimen for close to 6 months now. We are trying to grow out our edges and our hair. So whenever I pre-poo, I don't leave out onion. And I always go for coconut oil. Like whatever pre-poo I do, coconut oil is always my best, because coconut oil is so special. So we are done. So we are just scraping off. That's how it looks like. We are just scraping off some of the paste on the lid of the grater. So we are going to transfer it in a glass bowl. So that's how it looks like, and we are going to mix it. It looks so lovely. So we are going to add in our coconut oil. Look, it's solid. Because we are going to heat it, there's no problem. That's the reason why I'm going for coconut oil. And because coconut oil most require, is so unique in that its high content of saturated fat, lauric acid. It has lauric acid, which makes up around 40% of its total fat content. So this makes coconut oil highly resistant to oxidation at high heat. So for this reason, it is very suitable to high heat cooking methods. And coconut oil will prevent hydro fatigue. You know, this happens when hair expands when it is wet. So it also contracts. So like hair gets damaged, so it will prevent that. It's the only oil actually which can prevent hydro fatigue. So like we are just pouring our content into the pot on low heat. And it has started boiling. Just stir it. So I'm using a spatula just to stir it, and we are going to leave it only for a few minutes, about 15 minutes. You don't have to make it like dry. Yes, so our oil is ready. We've just transferred it in a bowl. So I'm getting a small bowl and a strainer and straining our oil. So like it has changed to yellow color. Yes. So just press it using your spatula so that more oil can come out. So our oil is ready. So we are transferring it in an applicator bottle. So we are adding in our aloe vera oil. I have a video on how I did aloe vera oil. So aloe vera will strengthen our hair because it has active ingredients and mainly that can help strengthen your hair. It has fatty acids and amino acids which are rich in vitamin A, B12, C, and E. These play a role in making your hair your healthy hair follicles, and it helps itchy scalp. And the aloe will also improve hair healthy and lessen breakage, which contributes to hair growth. So like we are not going to immerse our bottle in the warm water because it's already warm. So I'm just removing my wrapper and my bonnet dryer. So like I had twist for close to a month now. So like I didn't do anything to this hair. So I'm just applying it regularly on the scalp as well as to the tip of our hair and to every strand of our hair. So at this point, you don't need to manipulate your hair because you lose a lot of hair. So like whenever I pre-poo, I don't use conditioner. I only use oil. That's coconut oil with different kinds of herbs. Yes, so coconut oil like penetrates the cortex, so the oil helps condition strengthen your hair. So coconut oil reduce damage to hair cuticles during combing, especially when combing wet hair. So it's a special oil for me, and it may work well for your hair as well. So we rub our pre-poo on our scalp and braid that section. So I'll continue like doing the same throughout. So we are just pinning that using a bobby pin. We are remaining with the back. So I did like 5 sections. So always work in sections because it will help to distribute your products well. So like I always pre-poo every time I want to wash my hair. So don't forget your edges, and we'll massage our edges as well as our scalp. Very important because it stimulates a hair growth. I think one day we'll do a video on the benefits of massaging. So that is how much oil is left. Like I use quite a lot and it has started dripping. So we are just using our clippers to clip our hair because it started unrevealing. So dear friends, I really appreciate you guys for watching this video. So we are just putting on a plastic cap, and to all my subscribers, I really appreciate you guys, and to all the viewers who watch my videos, I appreciate you guys. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do so and click on that like button if this video was helpful. Yes, so you have to make sure that you leave in your pre-poo for many hours. So I usually leave it overnight so that the oil can penetrate. So you have to make sure that you cover your hair well so that you don't spoil your beddings. So thank you so much, dear friends. Yes, God bless you. We are done. Yes. So click on that like button. Yes, yes. See you in my next video. Bye bye and God bless you.